The situation is the arbitral tribunal has issued a final award on the merits of the dispute. So as a losing party, the question before you is, what are my remedies? In court litigation, one remedy is a motion for reconsideration to be filed with the trial court issuing the assailed decision. Another remedy is an appeal to a higher appellate court. What are the remedies in international arbitration? For today, we will discuss the following. First, the application for correction, interpretation, and additional award. And second, the application for setting aside of the award. These two are the remedies generally available in an international arbitration. We will then spend a few minutes to discuss what are the consequences of setting aside an arbitral award.
And here I'd like to give you just some practical advice of how you can manage costs. So we've just seen it. The major cost item are the lawyer's fees. And because lawyers still today are working mainly on an hourly basis, hourly fee basis, if you want to limit costs of lawyers, you have first to limit or control the length and the complexity of the proceedings. The second point that can be quite important are the experts' fees. And here, as I mentioned before, I'm talking here about technical experts, accounting experts, or legal experts. And if you want to limit the costs, the first thing to do is to limit the number of experts involved and also the depth of involvement in the proceedings. And lastly, the arbitrator's fees. And here, of course, if you want to control that item of cost, you need to control the numbers of arbitrators.
What role may domestic courts have in an international arbitration? And the roles of national courts are fairly circumscribed, but they can play an important role. Now, as we discussed, during an arbitration, the law of the seat or any other domestic court that has appropriate jurisdiction may play a role in assisting the arbitration proceeding. If a party is refusing to arbitrate when they should, a court can direct them to do so. A court can compel witness testimony. A court can help attach assets. A court can help provide interim relief.